Everywhere we turn, the advice for living longer and healthier seems to change. But what if we could distill it down to just a few core principles? According to Dr. Mindy Pelz, a leading expert in functional health and fasting, there's a straightforward answer. Control your glucose and insulin levels and manage oxidative stress. These are the two key pillars of longevity and vitality. Sounds simple, right? But the foods many of us consume daily might be working against us. Let's dive into Dr. Pelz's list of foods to avoid and explore how you can make practical, lasting changes. The science of aging, why glucose and oxidative stress matter. High glucose and insulin levels don't just mess with your waistline, they accelerate aging. Oxidative stress, which damages cells, compounds the problem. Imagine a car engine running too hot for too long. It eventually breaks down. Our bodies are the same. One major culprit, fructose, fancy science talk for sugar. And sugar isn't just in candy bars. It hides in juices, cereals, and even foods labeled as healthy. Let's start with refined flours and sugars, two of the biggest offenders. Refined flours and sugars, why they're trouble. Man-made carbs like refined flours are everywhere. But here's the kicker. They spike your blood sugar faster than nature's carbs ever could. For example, let's compare a banana to a slice of white bread. The banana comes with fiber, vitamins, and minerals, while white bread has been stripped of most nutrients during processing. What's left is a sugar bomb that overloads your system. Dr. Pelz emphasizes, go for foods from the earth, not the factory. Wheat, the hidden dangers. Think whole wheat bread is a better choice? Not so fast. Modern wheat contains something called beet toxin, designed to kill pests. Sounds like science fiction, right? But this toxin doesn't just harm insects, it can wreak havoc on your gut microbiome. Add glyphosate, a chemical pesticide, into the mix, and you're looking at a recipe for leaky gut and brain fog. If you're still tempted by that sandwich, consider this. A study in the Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that people who eat wheat-based products often consume 400 more calories a day than those who don't. That's an extra meal's worth. Diet soda, the appetite trickster. Think diet soda is the answer to your weight loss prayers? Think again. Artificial sweeteners like NutraSweet trick your brain into thinking it needs food by spiking ghrelin, the hunger hormone. One sip and you're suddenly raiding the fridge. Not to mention, these sweeteners can mess with your gut microbiome, making it harder for your body to regulate blood sugar. If you're fasting, this is a double no-no. It sabotages your efforts and leaves you hungrier than before. Juice, the sugar trap. Orange juice for breakfast? It might as well be dessert. A single glass contains as much sugar as a candy bar, and without the fiber found in whole fruit, it's a one-way ticket to blood sugar spikes and crashes. If you love juice, try making green juices with cucumber, celery, and leafy greens. Add a squeeze of lemon for flavor, but skip the apples and pineapples. They're just concentrated sugar in disguise. Conventional fruits and vegetables, go regenerative. Even healthy foods like apples and bananas can lose their nutritional value when grown conventionally. Many are genetically modified and lack the vitamins and minerals your body needs. Regenerative farming changes the game. It's all about growing crops in nutrient-rich soil. When you shop, look for produce from local farms or farmers markets. It's a small switch that makes a big difference. Fish, the mercury concern. Fish used to be the poster child for health, but our oceans are now so polluted that many species, like tuna, are loaded with mercury and microplastics. While smaller fish like sardines are safer options, it's best to limit your intake and choose sustainably sourced seafood. Monterey Bay Aquarium's Seafood Watch is a great resource for finding less toxic options. Bad oils, the silent saboteurs. Cooking oils can either heal or harm. Bad oils like canola, corn, and soybean oil are loaded with harmful fats that cause inflammation. Switch to olive oil or avocado oil. They're anti-inflammatory and support cellular health. Remember, the oils you use daily have a cumulative effect on your longevity. Practical solutions for longevity. So, what can you do to reverse the damage from years of eating these foods? 2 simple habits: intermittent fasting and exercise. Start with a 12-hour fasting window and gradually extend it as your body adapts. For exercise, mix in high-intensity interval training to boost your metabolism and lower oxidative stress. Small, consistent steps lead to big changes. Longevity doesn't require extreme measures, just thoughtful choices. By cutting out harmful foods and embracing nutrient-dense, whole foods, you can take control of your health and age gracefully. Remember, every bite matters. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let's build a healthier world together.